How to log in to Wells Fargo online banking account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to log in into Wells Fargo online banking account. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, launch a web browser on your device. For demo, I am opening Google Chrome. Click on the web address bar at top of the screen. Now type in wellsfargo.com and press enter on your keyboard. Then you will reach in the official interface of Wells Fargo, where you will see the Sign In section. You simply need to enter your credentials, that is your username and passwords. So let's enter our username. And you simply need to enter your password as well. In case you want to save your username, you can check mark the box. And after that, you can click on Sign In button to sign in into your Wells Fargo online banking account. In case you forget username or password, you can click on the underneath link over here and then recover your username or password. And then you are good to go. You will successfully sign in to your account once you have entered all the credentials. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.